Hello everyone, I hope you're all doing good. Now what we have here is another unboxing, and this one is a banknote that I just bought recently, and we'll see what it is. Should be a nice one. I always buy from dealers, from antique or coin dealers or banknote dealers, so I know it's legit. So, and it is properly wrapped too. Here we go. Look at that. It's a lovely banknote of Hong Kong, and we can see here the nice lovely portrait of Queen Elizabeth II, and then you can see the date here, July 1st of July 1959, and see Hong Kong, and this is for the government of Hong Kong. It's a $1 banknote, and this one corresponds with the Chinese characters with the $1, and same as this. It says government of Hong Kong. These notes are legal tender for the payment of any amount $1, and we have the serial numbers here and up here, and number 1 there, and the Chinese character 1 and 1 below. So, and on the reverse side, oops, it's sticky. Oh, it's nicely wrapped. So this is the first side. It says government. Oh, here we go. It says government of Hong Kong, $1 on the foreside, and on the middle it says $1 as well. It's a nice coin. It's a big one. Its size is 126mm by 79mm, rectangular shape. Lovely coin. Oh no, not coin. Lovely banknote. I like the portrait of Queen Elizabeth II. Nice one. Right. Thank you very much, and have a good day.